raise them up and show some love to a better life. Let's all do a shot of Kentucky whiskey, throw down a nice cold beer the size of Texas. Buy a round for Oklahoma, give a shout out to both Dakotas and Tennessee. Drop it like it's hot with some fireball down in Louisiana. We'll all toast to sweet home Alabama. Bartender, this one's on me. To say thank you all out there for keeping it country. If you're up at the break of dawn, tilling that land, bush hogging on a John Deere, can I get a yeehaw? If you've ever set your scope on a 8-point buck in a clear, wide open field, then this song's for you.